Okay, we are at the cable car. Yes, we are. And we're going to go for a ride on the IFS Cloud. No longer Emirates. That deal ended. So we're going to go on the cable car. See you there. Here we are, getting in our little gondola. It's so exciting. Do I sound overexcited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Right, I'll come back when there's a view. Okay, here we go. We are on the Dangleway, as some people call it.
The Dangleway. Why did they call it the
Dangleway. I
Dangleway?
do, because you're dangling.
Where did that come
So
from?
our door has closed. We are on the London cable car, now known officially as the IFS Cloud. And oh, there's that massive great big sculpture that we saw earlier. We were discussing, weren't we, about the sizing and appropriateness and all those sorts of things. Won't say too much more. So we are on one of 36 gondolas. 34 are in use at any one time, with a maximum capacity of 10 passengers each. Now I'll show you. Hello, Luke.
Hello.
Hello. And let's just say goodbye to the fabulous Greenwich Peninsula. And then behind you can see Canary Wharf. You can't quite see the O2 from here. Great views. Great views.
Yeah, this is awesome.
And then we can see the Thames Barrier over there. East along the river. There's a Damien Hirst. Everybody's excited. There's a Damien Hirst sculpture down there.
It reminds me of a ride on like Chesterton or something.
It is like being a theme park, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
So it takes 10 minutes for a single crossing. It feels faster. It feels like we're going to be there in like a minute or two. Oh, they can speed it up to 5 minutes in the rush hour. At the height of summer, they can transport 500,000 passengers a week. It's £6 one way and £12 return. We paid for a return so we can get back on the Jubilee line at North Greenwich. Look at those views. This is a great little thing to do in London. It really is. I feel like we should end up though at the top of a Swiss mountain and, you know, go to Glühwein or something. And there we go, Canary Wharf. Oh, there's the O2. You can just catch the O2 there now. Oh, and there's the curve in the river. Isle of Dogs, and ahead of us is Silvertown, named after the sort of, I think it's a sort of industrial family. Looking west, well, we're kind of on the curve, so more sort of north there. Let's move sides now. Oh, and I can see a tug pulling some stuff along the river over there. Yeah. Looking towards the city as well. You can see the cheese grater over there, just beyond the O2, and then the usual skyline of Canary Wharf. Said in another video, do you remember Not Going Out with Lee Mack? The original series was actually set in Docklands in the sort of mid-2000s. Everybody's excited. There's a lot of school kids here today. Why not? And when we come over this side, by the way, we're coming towards the XL. So we leave the O2 in one direction. We've got London City Airport and the XL. And massive redevelopment all the way around here. Originally sponsored by Emirates, and it is 1 kilometre long, crossing from Greenwich Peninsula to the Royal Victoria Dock. Advertising a unique view of London, I would completely agree. Completely agree. Very, very special view from up here. It was actually designed to connect with the O2 when it went up. That kind of didn't work out. So in the end, it was completed 1 month before the 2012 London Olympics. These cross every 15 seconds. Maximum capacity 2,500 passengers per hour in any direction, or about 50 bus loads of people. What a view. Directions east, I think, kind of east, yeah. I also like the fact that they didn't make us share a gondola, did they?
They didn't. No, I thought they were going.
We tried to get in with somebody else, and they said, no, wait for the next one. Like, oh, thank you.
Yeah.
All to ourselves.
Indeed, indeed. I was not expecting that.
I think when we were coming to the XL, if I'd known we could have come up on this, we probably would have come this way, rather than take the DLR and all those sorts of things.
Could have done, actually, yeah.
I think it would have been easier to take the Jubilee line. And just a massive building site down below. Hope you're enjoying this. Get your own YouTube version of the trip. Not everyone can make it to London, so it's an opportunity. Oh, I can see the runway for London City Airport over there. So weird, just like it's like it's literally landing on the river. It's very quiet, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Very quiet.
Very much so. Yeah.
Apart from us.
Apart from us, we're the noisy ones.
It's a beautiful January day. A few degrees above zero outside. Quite cold.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It's definitely
actually
quite
quite
cold.
pleasant at the moment because the sun's shining right on us.
I know, we're warming up.
Yeah, we are, yeah. I am very happy with this.
Yeah, definitely. So we wave goodbye to the Greenwich Peninsula and the O2. And arrive at the Royal Docks. There we are, the landing point over at the Royal Docks here. I think we'll go and have a nose around Royal Victoria Dock. See what that's got to show us. Okay, I really hope you've enjoyed this trip on the London cable car, the Dangleway. Oh, there's a little sculpture down there, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I'll say goodbye now, otherwise I'll fall over getting off. I'll see you next time, bye bye.
Goodbye.